This dish features dried flat rice noodles, which are one of the favourite noodles eaten by the Thai people. Pad Thai is considered a simple but flavoursome dish to prepare, and it has only a few key ingredients. We are using fresh prawns in our Pad Thai, but it is common to use chicken or both. To make the chilli flavour base, you'll need a mortar and pestle, a mature shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, and 5 dried red chillies. You can soak the chillies in water a couple of minutes before you use them. The first secret to an authentic Pad Thai is to create your chilli flavour base. Take a shallot and peel the dry skin and outer layer off. Finely chop the shallot and place it in your mortar. Peel and chop your garlic cloves and add them to the mix with the chillies. Pound and grind the ingredients in your mortar and pestle until you have a coarse paste, much like the red curry paste we prepared earlier. Then put it aside to use later. Slice the garlic chives into short lengths of about 3 centimetres or 1.5 inches and place them to the side. Now it's time to fire up your wok and add the soy oil. It's a good thing to remember that Pad Thai has 2 distinct styles, a drier, lighter dish and a heavier, oilier version more popular in the West. When the oil is hot, add your chilli paste you prepared earlier. Really work the paste through the hot oil so you release all those delicious flavours and aromas. Don't overcook the paste as it will burn if you leave it too long. To the chilli base, crack in the eggs. It's important you don't let the eggs cook whole, so if you feel they are starting to set, give them a stir through before you add more. Blend the eggs through the chilli paste and oil until they start to cook through. The prawns go into the wok next. It's a good idea to check the heat here to ensure you don't burn the eggs and keep stirring them so they don't stick to the wok. Like all seafood, prawns cook quickly, so work them into the mixture until they are almost cooked through. Now it's time to add the noodles. They should be slightly soft now. Be careful to have them well drained, as wet noodles will cause the oil in the hot wok to spit. Lift and mix all the ingredients well. Make sure you coat all the noodles with the wonderful flavours of the chilli paste, eggs and prawns. Once the noodles are well coated, add the sugar, fish sauce and the vinegar and work the ingredients through. It won't take long for the sugar to dissolve and for the next burst of distinct Pad Thai aromas to engulf you. When the noodles are cooked, it is an excellent time to taste your dish. You may feel you need more sugar or fish sauce to your taste. Pad Thai is served slightly sweeter in Western countries. When you are happy with the flavours, add the bean sprouts and sliced shallots, working them through the noodles. It's important not to let the dish cook too long here. We want to keep the mung bean shoots slightly crisp. Serve your noodles onto a plate and sprinkle the crushed peanuts over the dish and garnish with sprigs of fresh coriander and a piece of lime. Pad Thai is best eaten straight away before the noodles stick together. The lime can be squeezed over the dish just before eating for a delicious and refreshing, authentic Pad Thai experience.